In the past 20 years, one of the most important global burden of disease study is undertaken. So based on this document, we can highlight some important notes for dentists to appreciate. Among the top 10 common disease or conditions in humans, so as a dentist, we're happy or not happy to see the number one actually is untreated decay, the caries in adults. So severe periodontitis is ranked at number 6. Then untreated decay in kids, children, ranked number 10. So among the top 10 most common disease in humans, there's 3, okay? It's linked to oral healthcare professionals.
Well, I've come up to level 2 to look into the hot topic session of the day, and I'm delighted to be joined by Professor Jin, who's taking part in that. Professor Jin is from the University of Hong Kong. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Can you give us a little summary of what the hot topic session's about today?
The hot topic session today is about the global oral periodontal disease burden, the socio-economic impacts, and also how the global team can work together to tackle these kind of problems. So through the common risk factor approach, basically. So the other 2 speakers also will talk about the chance, the opportunity for prevention of oral disease, periodontal disease, diagnosis, and also the in-time treatment, effective treatment for this disease. And then also we emphasize the importance of oral health for general health.
And what are the key points that you'll be making?
The key point is periodontal disease is one of the major global disease burdens and huge socioeconomic impacts. So the periodontal disease is also relatively silent. So the problem is most of the public lay people, they don't realize this problem until the late stage. So that's why in a lot of patients, okay, they come to see dentists in a very late stage. So I call such kind of dental visit pattern is symptom-driven dental visit patterns. No problem, no show, okay? But when patients show in front of patient or in front of the dentist, it's quite late. So it's important to emphasize the awareness of oral health, periodontal health, to emphasize the importance of prevention and also emphasize the importance of disease prevention and also promotion of health.
We've been talking a little bit today already about the new definition. I know that's something you're quite excited about. How does that relate to what you're talking about?
The new definition is very, very exciting. I would say that will reshape the future healthcare professionals, particularly for oral healthcare professionals, because that emphasizes the value of prevention. It's not only talk about the disease. So the most important thing is to translate the preventive value into daily practice or even into daily life of people.
And at the end of your session, everyone that's been there, what would you particularly like them to leave with?
I think the whole taking message will be every individual should be aware of their own oral periodontal problems or conditions. Try to protect, try to promote, try to value the true value of the oral health. I will say nowadays you can spend money to buy whatever you like, okay? But I want to promote the oral health is most expensive, unique brand of your own, of yourself. So this is the only one in the world. So you should appreciate this for healthy aging and also for the happy life for the whole life.
Lovely. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.